Understanding the meaning of survive, a comprehensive guide. Hello, English learners from around the world. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the meaning of the word survive. This is a word that you might hear often in English conversations, movies, and books, so it's crucial to understand what it means and how to use it properly. Stay tuned as we explore various aspects of this word together. The word survive is a verb, and it generally means to continue to live or exist, especially in spite of danger or hardship. It comes from the Latin word supervivere, where super means over, beyond, and vivere means live. So, when you put them together, it's like saying to live beyond something, or to outlive a challenging situation. 2.1 Surviving a dangerous situation. One of the most common contexts in which survive is used is when talking about getting through dangerous or life-threatening situations. For example, she survived a plane crash. He managed to survive in the jungle for a month. 2.2 Overcoming illness or injury. Survive is also frequently used when talking about overcoming serious illnesses or injuries. For example, he survived cancer. After the accident, it was a miracle that she survived. 2.3 Enduring difficult times. Additionally, survive can refer to enduring difficult periods in one's life, such as financial hardship or emotional challenges. For example, we just have to survive these tough times. She survived a very difficult childhood. There are also several common phrases and idioms that use the word survive. Here are a few examples. Survival of the fittest. This phrase means that only the strongest or most able individuals or things will prosper in a particular environment or situation. Survive against all odds. This means to manage to live or continue in spite of very difficult circumstances. And that brings us to the end of our video. We hope this has been a helpful guide in understanding the various meanings and uses of the word survive. Remember, the key to mastering English is practice, so try to use this word in your own sentences and conversations. Until next time, keep learning, and see you in our next video.